Okay, in a previous video I showed you how to do nice clean straight lines by drawing a line and holding your pencil or finger at the end. Same with shapes and curves. This is going to be like an extension of that video to show you how to make some perfect circles, perfect squares, perfect shapes. So if I want a perfect circle, I'll draw my circle and hold at the end, and Procreate cleans it up. But now if I take my other hand and tap the screen and hold, Procreate will make it a perfect circle. Now here's the tricky part. I'm going to let go with the hand I drew with. So in my case, my right hand. And up top it says Edit Shape. If I tap that, you'll see points come up on my circle. And I can tap and hold the points and stretch it, squash it, do what I want to do with it. I can hit circle and you'll see it rounded it more. If I hit ellipse, it squashes it more. And I can stretch and use those points. I can do the same thing with a square. So let's go back, get rid of this. I'm going to draw a square. It's not perfect. I'm going to tap and hold the screen with my other hand. Cleaned up the square. I'm going to let go with my drawing hand. Tap Edit Shape. And now I can drag the points and rearrange what the square looks like. Then I can also say rectangle, square, polyline, and it does that. I'm not sure if it will do this with a triangle, but let's find out. There's my triangle, cleaned up, tap, yep, cleans up the triangle too. Let go, edit shape. I can squash, stretch the points. I can hit quadrilateral. It really didn't do too much. Polyline. Oh, it added points, okay. Okay, if you use a line, lets you play with the points on the end of the line. Let's see what it does with a curve. So it kind of makes what they call an arc, and then I can edit it and drag the points of an arc. So those are some really useful tools in drawing some perfect shapes. In summary, you draw the shape, hold, and with your other hand tap and hold the screen. It will clean it up even further and make it perfect. And then hit that edit shape button at the top and use the different tools and points and make it the way you want it to be. Hope this was useful. Thanks for subscribing, ringing that bell, liking. Comments are always welcome, and I'll see you next time.